How to say with in Croatian. With is in the instrumental case. Well, what does that mean? Well, the instrumental case is a Croatian case, and there's quite a few of them. How do we say with? Well, let's find out. S means with in Croatian. Let's take Mačka cat. It's a feminine noun. Ja sam, I am. I am with the cat. Let's learn how to say that. Ja sam, I am with. We've got Mačka, we take the A off and add an OM, Mačkom. Ja sam, I am with Mačkom. Ja sam Mačkom. See how we've put an OM on the end? So for all three genders, we add OM. What I call an OM. Sit with, and the noun endings are OM. Let's take kruh, bread. Sit with, kruh plus OM. Skruhom, with bread. Jedem, I'm eating, salatu, salad, skruhom, with bread. Jaje, egg. Jaje is an egg, it's neuter. Jedem jaje, I'm eating an egg. Skruhom, with bread. Now we've got Mačka cat, Mačkom with a cat. We've got kruh, bread, skruhom, with bread. But sometimes we see a sa with instead of a s. Why? Well, we're going to find out next lesson. Like and subscribe.